Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Daily Goodie Box. This should be my July box. And this website's free to join. You create a profile, and if you're selected, you get a box of goodies. All they ask is that you review the products inside. They do give out boxes on their social media, so I'll make sure to link all of that below in the description box. That way you can check it out and try to win one. So the first item we have says treats you can trust home free. Lemon burst cookies, whole grains, non-GMO, peanut free, dairy free. I bet those are good. I like lemon flavored things. Yeah, cool. Also have Moringa Superfood Energy Infusion. This is Moringa Orange and Passionfruit tea. That sounds good. So a whole box of that. Oh, it says it's super caffeinated too. There's 16 bags of tea in there. Also have CBD Gummies. Oh, how cool. They've sent some CBD products in the past and I've really liked them. There's like a lotion, some other things, but this is a tropical mix. Love that. Also have, oh, this is useful, some Natrapel. This is mosquito repellent and other probably insects. It's DEET free. And it's lemon eucalyptus. Awesome. Definitely use that. Then we have the Grandpa Soap Company. Oh, this is an acne treatment with 3% sulfur, natural bar soap, 100% vegetable base. I wonder if that's what I'm smelling. I just smelled something. Yeah, it smells good. Ideal for skin-prone acne, inflammation. I'll take a look at this. My skin actually has been breaking out for several weeks now. I'm excited to try this. Yeah, it just looks like a regular bar of soap. Cool. Got the logo printed on there. Also have Eucalyptus, pure and simple, plastic-free tube. Ooh, raspberry. Organic. That's exciting. And at the bottom, they always give you some little advertisements, sometimes coupons. So there's a code for the CBD. That's what the gummies look like. And then the tea. So it's supposed to have more caffeine than an average cup of coffee. Very cool. So if you guys want to check any of these companies out, I will also have them linked in the description box below, as well as a link to Daily Goodie Box so you can join. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.